I know some of you don't know what this thing is, or already do, except this one has a connector, and unfortunately comes with this type. You know, you can see the bell system logo. What is that supposed to say underneath this bell system? Property not for sale. I mean, this is not actually common to be used anymore. Western Electric. Yeah, Western Electric. This was at a time when there was Ma Bell. So this model is like you can't even use a RJ11. And tell me what model this is. And if I could convert this to an RJ11.